Hi traders, in this video I'm gonna show you a live trade on Euro USD pair. We have sent the signal to the premium members as a pending order. You know, most of our signals are pending orders. Okay, now let's look into the chart. Here we have placed a sell limit order as per the signals below, and we are waiting to activate the trade. Now the price is below the level. We expect it will trigger and will start a nice sell-off. The trade has been activated now. It is moving straight downside without any drawdown. Now it is 26 pip profit. It seems market was consolidated for a short period of time, and now the profit is 50 pips. Now the price is moving more downside. It is now 65 pips profit, and our trader panel decided to close the trade as today is the last day of the week. We don't like to keep the trade over the weekend, so we booked the total of 65 pips and closed. Thanks for watching.